Hi guys, how can you create the halftone pattern effect in Adobe Photoshop? First of all, go to Image Adjustments Black-White. Reduce the red value. Move it toward -40 and press OK. Next, go to Adjustment Layer Solid Color. Choose this color, number 999999, 6 times 9. And press OK. Now convert this solid color layer into a smart object. After that, go to Filter Gallery. Select Sketch Halftone Pattern. Set the values. Size 2, contrast 0. Now click the icon to add another effect. Select Torn Edges. Set the values. Image balance 22. Smoothness 15. Contrast 1. Press OK. Next, open blending options and set the blend mode to vivid light. Now go to Filter Distort 12. Set the angle around 100-102, then press OK. Reduce the opacity to around 49-50%. After that, go to Adjustment Layer Solid Color again. Choose the blue color number 3333 FF. Change this layer's blend mode to soft light. And that's it. Your halftone pattern effect in Photoshop is complete.